Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide, where we make solutions simple. Whether you're taking a break from online shopping or switching to another platform from AliExpress, then this video is for you. Because today I will guide you through the process of deleting your AliExpress account in the mobile app step by step. To delete your AliExpress account, firstly go to the AliExpress app. Once you're inside, then log in if you haven't already. Once you have logged in, go to the settings option on the top right side of the screen. Then go to the profile. Here on the bottom, you will find a delete account option. Click on it. There are a few terms and conditions you need to read before you delete the account. As this process is final, it cannot be undone. Then go to delete. Then you may proceed and delete your account. So click on delete my account. A 6-digit code will be sent to your email. Enter the 6-digit code and then go to verify. Now this is the final step to delete your account. Just click on delete account. So this is how you can delete your account in AliExpress. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more informative contents like this, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.